everyone, today we are having a look of an expandable box.
Laying the sidewall down, pushing the expandable parts out. Then there's two containers from one. This expandable design saves the half shipping cost while get a double the space. It's movable so can be put in anywhere to enjoy the beautiful landscape with full expanded glass window wall. The use can be versatile to be as a livable house or an office, a studio, and shop like a coffee bar. So let's go and check it out.
The house is made by manufacturer Magic House. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. If you want to customize one, I put the sales contact information and the shop link in the description box below. Or you can join our weekly live session to know us better. Thanks for watching.